Currently, the majority of the world's electricity is produced from fossil fuels. However, these will eventually run out, and as such, other sources are needed to fulfill our demand. Nuclear power is produced from nuclear energy of an atom. Its use has increased dramatically in recent times. The main advantages of nuclear power is it produces a lot of energy and no greenhouse gases are produced. However, it is a non-renewable source and it does produce radioactive waste. Wind power is obtained via wind turning a turbine and a generator producing electricity. It's the UK's most used renewable source. There are two types of wind power, offshore and onshore. They differ hugely. Wind power has drawbacks to it as well. Cost is a key issue. Majority comes from the turbine itself, but grid transmission is also a key issue. Offshore is much more costly due to increased construction costs. Wind farms have a reputation of being a blight on the countryside, and combined with the noise they make, majority of the public don't want to live near a wind turbine. Wind farms affect birds so much that future development will likely take place on routes that don't affect migratory birds. The major problem about wind power is its reliability, as it is not a consistent supply. The biggest positives associated with wind power is that little land is needed and no greenhouse gases or radioactive waste is produced, and it is a renewable resource. Hydroelectric power is produced by the movement of falling water, which turns the turbines and generates electricity. It is used more in developing countries like China. Hydroelectric power causes massive issues for the environment. This slide highlights the key problems. The main advantages of hydroelectric is that it's renewable with no waste or greenhouse gases produced. However, plant construction is huge and the location is specialised. Tidal power is obtained via movement of tides. Three ways to harness tidal energy are turbines, barrages and lagoons. The main positives of tidal power is it is renewable, no waste or greenhouse gases are produced, and the plants have a long lifetime. But production is variable and the barrage cost is massive. This table summarises the key points of all the energy sources I have talked about earlier in the presentation. To conclude, a combination of wind and nuclear power is the way forward. These are the references I have used. Thanks for watching.